Drinking lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach has been highly touted as one of the simple things you can add to your daily routine, which can have a large impact on the health of your skin. This fruit is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin A, beta-carotene, folate, calcium and potassium, just to name a few of the vitamins it contains. When you drink lemon water first thing in the morning, you're feeding your skin an important dose of the vitamin folate. Found in all citrus fruits and juices, this vitamin, also known as folic acid, helps to eliminate toxins from your body, which helps prevent acne and can even give your skin a natural glow. Here are 7 reasons to start your day with lemon water. 1. Aids in digestion. Acid helps break down food. That's why there's so much of it in our stomachs. The acid in lemons may be especially helpful in supplementing stomach acid levels, which tend to decline as we age. 2. Helps you stay hydrated. Most of us don't drink enough water. A daily lemon water habit is an easy way to get your day off on the right foot. How do you know if you're drinking enough? Your urine is almost clear. 3. Weight loss friendly. We're creatures of habit. Ponder the impact of replacing your morning orange juice or latte with lemon water. Not just once, but perhaps 20 times a month, and multiply that by 10 years. Your waistline will thank you. 4. Prevents oxidation. Like all produce, lemons contain phytonutrients, which protect your body against disease. These phytonutrients have powerful antioxidant properties, which prevent cell damage from oxidation, the same mechanism that causes rust. 5. Supplies a healthy dose of vitamin C. Juice half a lemon into your water, and you'll add a mere 6 calories to your diet. Plus, you'll get more than a sixth of your daily vitamin C, which is needed to protect us from cell damage and repair injury. 6. Provides a potassium boost. Your body can't function without potassium. It's necessary for nerve-muscle communication, transporting nutrients and waste and blood pressure regulation. Fruits and vegetables are important sources of potassium. 7. Helps prevent kidney stones. Lemon water helps prevent painful stones in those deficient in urinary citrate, a form of citric acid. More importantly, increased fluids help prevent dehydration, a common cause of kidney stones.